Disclaimer, guys, I am not a dermatologist. I'm just here to share with you guys what I use in clearing my acne. And if you try them and it don't work for you, you stop them and look for something that your skin accepts. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be sharing with you guys what I used, what I did in clearing my acne. So in December I started breaking out badly, really. I started breaking out badly, and it was annoying. It was terrible. So the cause of that was me traveling here and there, exposing myself to different environments, which my body couldn't take it. Like, I traveled the whole of December non-stop. As a makeup artist, that December was tight for me. So I was traveling, there was no time for me to do my morning routine. Even if I travel with my skin stuff, I couldn't use them because I had to wake up very early in the morning, do this and that, just to get ready so I can, meet up with my client. So it was terrible. I broke out terribly. So what I did, because I couldn't do all of my morning routine, so I just wanted something that when I'm bathing, I'm doing the same thing to my face, like normal, you wash and you go. Sorry guys, I live by the roadside, so if you hear any background noise, I am sorry. So because I wanted something that I would just use like sharp and go, I went ahead to buy a face wash from Fig. This is it, and their brightening and rejuvenating facial oil. So these are the products that I bought. This product gave me more rashes. I'm not here to say these products are not good or they don't work. It did not work for me. That doesn't mean it will work for other people. So I make my own black soap. I will drop the link down below so you guys can go and check it. So I bought their black soap that December because there was no time, like I said. So I bought their black soap and it really worked for me. That was the reason why I decided to try their face wash and the oil, but it did not work for my face. So I stopped it. This is where it is. This one is somewhere here. I stopped using it around January ending. I stopped using it. So I started using this just face toner when I travel. I just throw this one in my bag so you can see how far I've gone. And I just, after having my bath, I'll clean my face. I'll tone my face with it and off I go. No face cream, nothing. My face became worse. I hardly break out. So this one got to me. It got to me that because I hardly break out. So what I did, I stopped everything that I was using, and when I traveled to Ghana, I asked them for something that I can use to clear my pimples. They gave me this product here, the Shebamed. So they gave me the Shebamed, the pimple anti-pimple gel, and the cleansing bar, the soap and the gel. It's the soap is really mild because at that point my face started burning. I don't know, it started burning and I couldn't take it anymore. At some point I started using dusting powder on my face just to calm the hotness. Nothing working for me at that point. So I started using it. I realized that my face was getting dry, but every morning I noticed that more rashes were coming, like were just popping up. But I didn't stop using it because my face was getting dry. It wasn't that bad, but I continued using it till around 17th of March. So me, over Sabi, I wanted to scrub my face because it was really irritating. I just want everything to just go fast. I went by Neutrogena face wash. The one I used in that video, I couldn't find that one, so I bought this face wash and this balancing daily exfoliator. I wanted to exfoliate my face. I wanted to scrub my face. I wanted that baby skin to come back and all of that. But immediately I applied this particular one on my face started hurting me. That means the face was still, like, the scars were still open. I needed them to dry really well before I start to scrub. So I stopped. I didn't use it. So I used this one once and I stopped. So, and I'm like, what am I going to do to this face? Because this is not me. This is not me. Like my face, I hardly break out. So I went back to my video, my morning routine video, and I realized that there was this face cleanser, the toner that I was using, that I really loved. There was no pimple on my face, nothing, no rashes on my face. So I went to the store to look for it, and this Skin Doctor toner. If you've watched that video, you see me using this toner. So when I got there, I saw this one and there's another one that has like papaya in it. I quickly grabbed the both. See, I'm almost done with this one. This one is 100 ml. This one is 200 ml. So this one has papaya. It brightens the face. So this one, what this one does, this is my holy grail. Like what this Skin Doctor toner does, it suits the skin. It cools, relieves the skin from sunburn. Like it fights skin irritation, sunburn and minor burn, pimples and heat rashes, pimples and heat rashes, tone the skin and clear blemishes. Same thing with this one, but this one brightens the skin. I started using it with the gel. So what I do, I wash my face with the cleansing bar, tone my face with this toner. Ooh, then I apply the gel on my face. So when I got home, I realized that when I watched the video, I realized that I had a blemishing gel as well, like this one, but different product. You'll see this one in that video as well, this tea tree. So if in case you can't find this, try and look for this. I bought this one in Lagos. In case you're in Lagos, look for this one. In case you cannot find this Sheba Med, of course you see it everywhere. Look for this one. They are the same gel. Same gel. So I have been using it for a while now, so it's gonna work same. So this one is almost gone, so I'll be using this one till I buy this one, because I love this one already. I'm in love. Right, so I used this I used the toner for like a week before I started scrubbing my face. So I started scrubbing my face. So what I do, I use the bar soap, the cleansing bar soap, to wash my face. Then I scrub my face with this face wash. It's a mild scrub, oil-free acne wash, but it's a mild scrub. So anyone you see use is really wonderful. I recommend all Neutrogena face wash, face scrub, anything Neutrogena I recommend. They are all wonderful. So when the pimples finally dried down, I started scrubbing my face with this Neutrogena face wash. After washing my face with the cleansing bar, I use this face wash, then tone my face with this Skin Doctor. It's amazing. Sorry, I will still talk about it. It's amazing. It clears pimples and heat rashes, and that was my major problem. And the reason I bought this one was because of the spots that the pimples left on my face. After 1 week of using this one regularly, morning and night, I started using this one alone at night to just clear the spots. So that's basically what I did. After using the cleansing bar and the anti-pimple gel for about 2 weeks, that was when I started using this toner. And you can see, like, I still have like few, like there's not much. There's one here, there's one here. See my face. Okay, the spots are fading away too. Fading away. This side was really affected, so the spots started fading away gradually. Okay, that's it, guys. So let me just do a recap. I used the cleansing bar to wash my face. I scrub with this face wash, tone my face with the toner, apply this little baby, but I don't have it again, so I'm using this one now in place of this one. And after that, I allow the gel to dry down, then I apply this oil on my face. So I apply that oil on my face. This oil helps to firm the skin, reduces facial scars and fine lines, so it's really nice. So my spots are clearing and I'm so happy with it. So guys, this is the end of the video. You know, the skin is very delicate, so give it what it wants. The two things I'm going to recommend is these two here. I recommend it any day, anytime. These are my holy grail. Like, they saved my skin. So whatever you're using and is not working for you, stop it. If you're using something that is working for you, don't switch. Don't go and use what people are using. Make sure you stick to that. Just know what your skin needs, wants, and stick to that. I just pray this my video is helpful to some of you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I will see you guys in my next video, but for now, bye bye.